Hello, you trader nerds. Happy Valentine's Day to y'all. Some of you didn't even know it's Valentine's Day. What in the world? Um, I played that Miley Cyrus song, Flowers. Beth played it for me this morning. She's like telling me the whole story. Like this guy that Miley Cyrus was dating or married to, I don't know. So he cheated on her. And so she wrote this song called Flowers. I can buy myself flowers. And she recorded the video in the house where he cheated on her. And I go, Beth, that is so morbid. Why in the crap would you get me listening to that garbage on Valentine's Day? And anyway, the song's kind of got in my head. I can buy myself flowers with Miley Cyrus there. So that's so good. I used to like her as Hannah Montana, dag it. Now she's you know, whatever, a little different, but who knows? So look at this, y'all. Negative 0.48%. I thought this was a big day for y'all. I thought we should have a CPI number. We're at the cash open. Wow, what a nothing burger. Look at this. Everybody was so excited, and now they've gone to the Hamptons for a long evening with rose petals and bonbon chocolates. Look at this. What a nothing burger. So, wow, the AD low was negative 400. AD high was 215. Wow. VIX is 19.14. Now, what's this? This is an amazing thing. Look at the beautiful, gorgeous big green monster. Oh, doing what the big green monster. Look at there. Called the bottom. Look at there. Tapped it today. Look at that. Tapped it. Tapped the 50% line and then went back up to the point of control. Now, if we're looking at the next 10 days, what are we looking at here? We're looking at this. Right? And we know that this pocket is a magnet for price. The pocket so happens to be 4,100. We're going to have a little bit of a ceiling right here. I ought to have a little bit of resistance at 41.93. But listen to me. We are going to 4,200. It is just a matter of time. Right? Now, what are all these things here? Don't worry. These are just Fibonacci fans that just kind of help define some of these moves. And it does a really, really good job, in my opinion, of pegging some of these moves as well. So do I know how to use Fibonacci fans? No. I just like drawing pretty lines on my little screen because I don't care where the market goes. I don't give a rat's butt. But with that said, we all have a market opinion, don't we? So here's the point of control. The point of control could be anywhere, though. Look, it's about to be right here. It's about to move down just a little bit. But it's really good to just see where the market's going and what it's doing. It's really kind of cool. All right. So with that being said, let's see how our account is doing today. Oh, look at the puddle of Ed. The Ed puddle. The puddle of death. Look at this. I have a 99.5%. I've never had this high. I have a 99.5% probability of profit. Unfreaking believable. Puddle of death? Where's the puddle of death, you say? It ain't even there anymore. There's not a place on the map where I'm losing money. Look at this. It's great. Now, do I necessarily believe that? No. Can I lose money? Yes. But daggit, I've never had a risk profile. The puddle of death. Or Ed, whatever you want to say. Death, Ed, same thing. The puddle of Ed, right there. All right, so let's get that off. Have y'all ever seen a risk graph like that? I mean, 99.5% profit. I don't know how I can get any better. I mean, how does Daddy do it? Day in, day out. Well, let's see what our net lick is in this little account. Now, one of my accounts is up big today. Y'all ain't going to believe it. 38,738. Oh, man, do I not have my little things open? 38,738. Y'all remember that number, 38,738. So I hope y'all are having a great Valentine's Day. Beth and I didn't have time to do Waffle House today. She was like, I thought you'd at least take me out to Waffle House. I said, honey, one day, don't you worry. So we'll go out somewhere tonight. I think I got everything I need here. So 38,738. Let's see if we get to play the Jeffersons today. If my Jeffersons work, I've been using this CC cleaner to clean my computer. And every time I do it, it messes my stuff up. 38,738. Let's see what we got here. Oh my gosh. 38,738. Cue the band Roger. Play the dang song for God's sakes. Where's my damn song? Dang it. Dang it. Dang it. Hold on. Hold on. Where's my song? I've got to play the Jefferson. Hold on, let me open my Delgado Screen Deck here. Why are they not playing? Again, this CC cleaner that I had to buy for $24 cleans everything off my freaking computer. Hold on. What are y'all talking about? All right, here we go. Play my darn thing here. Where's my playing my song? Moving on up, the Jeffersons, play stop, no fade. Play my song.
Well, we're moving on up to the side, to a deluxe apartment in the sky.
Yes, praise the Lord. All right, here we go. 214.23. So we made $409. Look at the volatility coming in. That's what that is. All right, so Griggs and ratios, the Braille version of the Jeffersons. Did Piggly Wiggly guy get Beth flowers? He probably did. She probably did. She's probably out right now over with Tim McCormick's house right now. Unbelievable. I mean, the stuff I put up with. All right. Am I the only one that's not jealous of my wife having a boyfriend? It must bother me, though, because I mention it all the time. 76 and 25. 76 and 25. And today's a great day to put on a trade. Now, volatility's down, but the market is certainly down, which we can get further away from the market, right, from market price with our things. So our buying power usage is 70.68. Oh, that went up a little bit, 70.68. So we're using 18% buying power. We're a little long, but we're a little blue here with our theta. So what we'll do is let's go put on some trades. You want to? You want to? Since I'm so blue, I think I'm going to put on a 2-truncher today over here. 2-truncher. So we'll go to MES. Let's go to trade. Let's do our naked first. You want to? We always do the other thing first. Let's do our naked first. Let's go out to 94 days. Oh, they got us some extra strikes today. And we'll go to about the 12 delta. 12% probability of being in the money. Let's get us a nice $30 out of this. You want to? 30 something anyway. Let's do $31 and let's do 2 of those boogers. Okay. Fill me Jack. Let's do our put debit spread. Put debit spread, we want a minimum of 60 days without going under. So let's put him down here somewhere. Let's see if I put him here. 38.10, 37.60. That's $6. We want him to be $10. So let's move him up this way. And let's move you up this way. Where's my stripes? 38.50, 3800. That's 650. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Like doing the waltz, y'all. 725. 3. 1, 2, 3. That's 775. Let's go here. We'll find him in a little bit. Don't you worry. So 39, 25, 38, 75 is 850. We're getting close. Let's go up here. 39.60. And let's do the 39.10. We're already short some there. That's pretty close. Let's go up one more. There we go. So we can buy where we're bought. Be long where we, there we go. 39.20, 39.70. See if that'll fill us with the 2 quantities. We'll go in 10 and a quarter, 10, 10, 10, 10. Fill me, baby. Fill me. Fill me, baby. Fill me. Get Joe in. All right, here we go. Activity. We'll go for 10.50. I'll be your Huckleberry. I'll go up 10 and a quarter. You ain't scaring me. I'll get filled on that. All right, and I'm telling you, I think the Sweet Bobby hedges have been the difference in our risk graph. I mean, I got to hit it to Evan, put one on every time. So why don't we go out 94 days? And let's find us something down here. We can get a nice, even little something. So a 3,600 would be nice. That'd be nice and even. So let's do 3,600. Sell 2 of those. And we'll get 30 and a quarter for those. 2 of those. All right, 2 of those. So 3,694. I'd love to go 30 days down. which would be that 66. But y'all know we just hadn't been able to get anything there. Let's see what the 3550s are going for. 3550s are, see, we just can't get enough credit. So we got to go down to that 40 something day. 3550s. 3550s. Yeah. And let's sell 2 of those. Or buy 2 of those. Sorry, buy 2 of those, Jack. I said buy 2 of those. By gosh, that's what. How do I change it to buy?
Bobby, wait.
What?
If you
Oh, I
bought
wouldn't buy.
2
You're right. You're right. I wouldn't buy where I've sold. Thank you, Ed. Let's delete that leg. Let's buy 3570s. How about that? That'll make it a little stronger too. So we'll buy 4 of those. And I'm gonna try to be a cheapskate, even on Valentine's Day. Dag it. All right, so let's make it 875. That should fill us by our 4 there. Ta-da! Now, the only thing that I could do, so we have now increased our theta to 24. Now, ordinarily, I'd go look at my positions and I would see my naked stuff out here. And I would say, hey, naked stuff, have I been in anything for 30 days? And I would start closing those. But today, I don't think I got anything 30 days. And I don't want to really close anything anyway, because my theta's so low. And I mean, let's now go look at my risk graph. Let's see if we can update it here. How do we do with our risk graph? Do we make it worse or better? Come here, little baby. Come here, little Jack. Come here, 1 gig speed. But there we are, looking good, baby. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Ed, have you ever seen anything as pretty as this? I can tell you what, my baby pictures were not as pretty as this. And I was a pretty dang baby. I ain't gonna lie to you. Look at this. That is a thing of beauty. Crash, baby, crash. All right. I mean, maybe I could even sell additional naked puts. I wonder what that would do. You want to? Let's do it. I'll sit down, Dave. Let's go sell something else. Let's see what. Let's make this looking like an ugly puddle of death here. Let's go get another one. Let's just get some more theta going. So we'll go trade. 94 days. Let's sell something else. Let's just go crazy. Let's just go bat crap crazy. Let's sell another one of these 3600. Jump to. Or how about a 3610? There you go. Let's sell one of him. And let's see what that does to our risk profile. Now we got our theta up to 28. Take that, Jack. Now let's go see what that looks like. See if we got a puddle yet. See if we got a puddle of Ed. Here we go. Come on, baby. Show it to me. Well, heck, we got a little puddle. Well, screw that. Let's do another one. I mean, we want it to look ugly down here, don't we? Let's sell another one of these things. Let's just go fat crap crazy. I mean, it's a down day. What a great day to be alive. There we go. Now let's go check it out. Come here, little puddle. I'm trying to make a puddle of death, y'all. I can't do it. I still got a 99.5% probability of profit. Come on. Da-da! Praise the Lord Jesus. I cannot lose. It's like the Lord has shined. Oh, here it is. There we go. Now we got a little teeny thing. You know, I could sell another one, but I'm going to stop right here. I'm not going to go crazy. Look at that, y'all. I mean, look at that. Look at this. Unbelievable. Now, here's the thing. With me selling, there's a puddle. I see a little pink. It's like getting your hamburger medium well. You see just a little bit of pink on it. So what should I do? Well, with all that, I didn't close anything today, but God, it's a premium I brought in. Can I not go buy a little 14-day something? I mean, just to tinker out, because I probably got stuff coming off too.
Can you pull up your risk analysis on that account before you
let's do that.
buy the longs?
Yep, let's do that. Evan, look how fast I am getting to it now that you showed me how to do this. Look, you and Ed, look at that. All right, what do you want to see?
I was just kind of curious what your I guess intraday numbers were looking like, because the puddle of Ed and the Tastyworks web version kind of shows you if everything expires, what you'd be looking at, but we know that we're not going to let everything expire. So I just figured you'd want to take a look at what your numbers would do today with these movements.
That's pretty good though. It looks great, doesn't it? That looks really good. Does everybody see what we're seeing here? Wow, this is good. Really, really good. And now we got $2,900 worth of extrinsic value. But y'all, being the kind, compassionate soul that I am going to buy me a little bit of insurance with all
What
that.
are you
little-
looking at there? Could you go back to that, please?
Sure. So y'all, you click on your position tab, and once you're on position tab, click on cap requirements. And then click on risk analysis, make sure everything's checked on it, right? So this is what it looks like. So check the boxes and then get risk analysis. And then what this is showing plus or minus down 20%. So here's up 20%, there's up 16%, up 12, up 8, up 4, minus 4, minus 8% from the spot price, right? Minus 12%, I'll be 59.81 down, minus 16%, I'm 7,000 down. And look at this, it starts getting stronger. There's my crash protection. And then it goes through the individual stuff, right? The individual positions. It's really kind of cool. I love it. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to just, with all that premium I took in today, you know, me being the kind little fellow that I am, I'm going to buy me 14 days of protection.
Can I interrupt again?
Sure, Ed. You don't want me to buy protection?
Before you do that, could you go to your spreadsheet and see what it's
Ed, were
telling
you an
you?
accident? Were you an accident, Ed, or did your mom and daddy plan?
You know,
Yes
I
or
was
no?
the middle child, so I have to
Okay.
conclude I was not an accident.
Okay, you were not an accident. Okay.
Now,
Ed,
they
what
might
do
have
you
called me an accident when I popped out, but that's a
Probably
separate
so.
story.
They said that is the ugliest daughter I've ever seen in my life. All right, Ed, what do you want me to do? What do you want me to
I
do?
want you to go look at your spreadsheet before you click any more buttons and just let us eyeball what's going on there, just to, like, is it telling you to do anything maintenance wise? Get out of this?
Well, the
whatever?
thing is, remember, this is freehand totally, so I don't even have any trades
Oh,
in here.
okay, okay,
So this is total freehand. All I do is judge it from here. This is how I trade this account,
okay.
totally from here. So it definitely said you've got to add theta in. And that's what I did.
Yep.
That is a good bit of theta. But at the same time, with me selling so many puts today, you know, I feel like, you know, it's incumbent on me to just buy a little bit of protection. And so something cheap. We'll go to 14 days out, and we've been liking those little 30-cent ones where we can buy something for 30 cents, 14 days out. So it cost me a little bit of money, but with all that premium I sold y'all, who cares? I mean, this is just gravy. Let's see if we can get filled for 25. All right, so that's going to cost me $15.87. Wang. With all that nice premium I brought in today, I don't care. Let's just spend a little money. You got to spend money to make money, y'all. You ever heard that? Takes money to make money. We know that. Now let's go look at the puddle of death. Look at there. It got pink a little bit. Let's see if that helped my puddle of death. What's this? Come here, puddle of death. Ta-da! Didn't make it really look any different, but it's just kind of all green. Isn't that great? I mean, I kind of feel like, you know, I don't want to say that we've arrived. I don't want to say that we've arrived. I just feel like we kind of got this thing. You know, we kind of, now the market will test us and it'll show us that we don't know what we're talking about. But I don't know, man. I kind of feel like we kind of got it. We kind of know what to do. And I hope y'all are getting that same level of confidence as well. It really is something. You can trade scared or you can trade confidently. And I hope everybody is trading confidently. That's the way we want to trade. We want to make sure that you're confident approaching the market each and every day. By the way, let's see how our account's doing. You want to? So let's go and see how that account was doing. You know, how you doing, Bob? Well, let's see. We're up 2.81%. Now, y'all, it does look bad when we compare it to a market that is up 6.94%. But y'all, if we can do this time and time again, look, we were up 1.61 for the month of January. So that means we're up 1.2% for February. I mean, if we can do this month in and month out and month in and month out with a risk profile that looks similar to this, are you kidding me? This very well may be the greatest trading strategy ever. Now, if all the algos come in, is it going to take our edge away? I don't think so. Because there's so many moving parts. So many of you who are watching on YouTube right now go, screw this, I'm out of here. This is too hard. And all you got to do is stick with it for 2 weeks and you'll have it too. It's really not that hard. Yeah, there's a lot of moving parts, but you'll get it. It's the same thing. over and over and over. Oh, and Ed wanted me to announce this too. If you are watching the YouTube videos, you should join our Discord room because we have an after school session. So after we stop the recording, that's where the real learning comes in. Oh crap, I'm now down to 99% probability of profit. Dag it. I lost 0.5%. Oh, well, can't get everything. All right, so we're up 2.81%. Is everybody happy with that? Oh, heck yeah. Heck yeah, we're happy with that. So now let's go to the other account. Now, here's where I'm up a big today. Y'all are not going to believe how much this account is up. You ready? 31,109.20. 31,109.20. Let's go put that in. 31,109.20. 31,109.20. So you're sitting there. We're up $1,300. We're up 8% on the. Wait a minute. Something looks fishy about that. What's going on? You can't be up 8% in just from 3%. Yes, that's exactly right. Little old sweet Bobby made a deposit. Now we're only up 4.51%. Okay. Little Bobby just added another 1,000. Little 1,000 there, little 1,000 here. Just kind of buying it while it's cheap. Okay, so now we're at 31,109. Let's look at our Greeks and ratios. Y'all didn't think I'd trick y'all like that, did you? When I put 1,000 in. Boy, look at that candle. What happened? Did Biden fall down an airplane? What happened? I mean, everybody got excited about something. All right, so let's see what our Greeks and ratios are. Let's hide it over here. Oh, I need to show y'all this too. Now, yesterday, so our deltas are 47 minus 1, so that's about what, 46 or so? 46.29. 46 and 29. Oh, that's good. 46. Now, my theta is low, and I'll tell you why. When that market ran up yesterday, I did close a couple of extra trades yesterday. You remember all the things that were flashing to close yesterday? I went ahead and closed them on that big up move. I said, you know, we got CPI coming out. I don't care about CPI, but at the same time, I took off risk. I did. I took off risk, and I don't regret it at all. The market moved up big. I said, shoot, take that profit. So we don't have anything today flashing for me to close. So let's go back over here and look at our Greeks and ratios. What's it tell me? It's telling me, well, first of all, we got to get our buying power. And our buying power is 8,000, about 8,000. $8,000 in buying power. Let's get him on there. Okay. What's it saying? To me, it's saying put on a trade. Right, put on the trade. Now over here, we've got all these cool little gadgets. I've got 22 nakeds. I got 24 put debit spreads. I got 29 long hedges. I got short hedges of 8. I mean, this is saying, hey, baby, sell, baby, sell. So I think what I'll do is I'll sell 2 nakeds. I don't need any put debit spreads. Now let's make sure that none of my put debit spreads have expired though. Hold on. And I'll look at that here on my trade tab. All you got to do is look at your remaining days in trade. Uh-oh. One of my long puts is expiring today. Okay. 73, 73, 66, 31, 31, 31, 14, 14, 14, 14. Yeah, everything was good. So let's go sell 2 nakeds. Over here. We'll go to the macros and we'll go naked, naked, naked. 94, go to about a 12% probability of being in the money. See what I'm saying? It's the same thing over and over and over. We really don't change a lot. Let's do this 36.25. Let's do 2 of those. 36.25s at 30.50. $302 of pure, oh, look at that. 30.50. 36.25, 30.50. 36.25, 30.50. 36.25 at 30.50. And we did 2 of those. Yes, 2 tranches. Now here's where we're making the big significant change, thanks to Evan and Ed. So we'll call this naked put 23. Put naked 94. 2/14/23. But before I make that, let's go put him in a group. Just don't lose him. Let's go over here. Let's show our groups. And let's put him in the naked status. Hello there, Mr. Naked. Come here often. That didn't sound right at all. All right, so we'll put him in the naked. All right, so naked. Is today Tuesday? It is T-Bill Tuesday, baby. Wow, that sounds awesome. All right, what was I going to do? I was doing something. Oh, let's see if there are naked puts or where we could take something off. 64%. You greedy son of a gun. How much is enough, Bobby? How much is enough? Let's close him. Create closing order. Let's just get rid of him. I mean, 64%. Don't be greedy, Bob. So we'll close him. Just booking profits. Booking profits. We're closing the 34.80. We'll nickel and dime him up to 11. 34.80 at 11. And gone, baby. Let's go find him. 34.80. Control F for find. And we'll do 34.80. So we'll find him really quick line. 34.80. 34.80 is not there. There. Not there, because I've already closed that one. 34.80. 34.80. There it is. 34.80. And we closed him at, oh crap, my memory. We closed him at $11. So 34.80 closed him at $11. All right, so let's make him green. 214. That's my little gift to Beth. Honey, load up the wood-sided station wagon. We are headed to Applebee's. Daddy just made $94.56. We'll make him green. Okay, good. Now, we got our nakeds in there. So what did I say? I said I was going to sell something else, didn't I? So let's go sell something else. Well, before I sell something else, let's look at our risk profile. So we sold two and we bought one back. Sold two, bought one back. Let's look at our analyze tab. MES, one expiration, high simulations, single symbol, 214. I'm just looking at everything, y'all. Just make sure everything's fine. And then let's see what it looks like with, no, we don't want single symbol, we want portfolio beta weighted. And then here's where we get to dog cuss Ed, because all these stupid things that Ed's making me so much money on. I said, Ed's making me so much money on. Come off, stupid mouse. Logitech. Oh, this is the greatest mouse ever made. Yeah. I got my taxes done. I'm going out to the Waffle House tonight. All right. So that looks like everything else. High simulations, portfolio beta weighted. Let's see what our risk profile looks like. If we go down 20%, I'm going to make $12,000. Praise the Lord. I like it a lot. Now let's look at, that looks bad. Let's see what our vol steps looks like. What does my vol step look like? Vol step looks like, okay, so here we would have a 5% down move. We've got some losses, right? If the market were to go down 5%, we got some losses there as well. But look at that crash protection. Crash, baby, crash, baby, crash, baby, crash. So we do need something to kind of bump this up, right? To bump this up a little bit. So why don't we do a Sweet Bobby hedge? You want to? So let's go out to 94 days. And I like those big, even numbers. See what we can do as a Sweet Bobby hedge.
Hey, Bobby, can you let a couple of people in from the lobby, please?
Oh, sorry about that. Yeah, I don't know why we got a waiting room today. I've been doing without the waiting
That's
room.
all right.
Sorry. Thanks,
You can
y'all. I
only
appreciate
juggle so many balls at one time. I
I
get it.
appreciate y'all keeping an eye on that, though. So let's go to 36.50. Yeah. How many did I sell today? I sold two. So you would think I'd put a two trancher on the Sweet Bobby Hedges. So why don't we go to 36.50? I'm already short some 36.50s. So let's sell two 36.50s. All right. Two 36.50s at 32.75. Two 36.50s, 32.75. 36.50. 32.75. Beautiful. It'll take me just a second to put him in, y'all. Won't take me long. So we'll say this is MES. This is MES. Always put your short in first. So I did two of those. And we'll call him SBH10 short. Puts naked 94, 214.23. Okay. So then we got to do four longs. We'll call him SPH10 long. And you think we do the 3600. We'll try to do the 3600. Puts. Oh, that's not naked. Sorry, that's supposed to be short hedge. It makes a difference in our long hedge. Good. And let's see where we can put him at. 94. We'll have to go down to that 45 days. So I did the 3600. So 3550 or more. Let's see, 3550. 3550. Yeah, I can move that up to 3600. Yeah, I definitely can do that. Let's do 3600s. Well, hold on a minute. What strike did I do? Yeah, 3600. I could do the 3600 still. We'll just calendarize him. Let's calendarize him. And let's do four of those. 1, 2, 3, 4 at $9. There we go. 3600 at $9. So let's put him in. So, oh crap. I wanted to do the 3650. Well, anyway, I did the 3600. That's fine. At 45 days, was it? 45 days at $9. That's fine. 45 days. I wanted to get closer, make it a stronger hedge. 214. I said 214.23. What's wrong with that thing? Stupid thing. 214.23. And we did it at $9. Okay, so what I want to close him at, let's see, we want to close him at, click my solver. If we can close him at 1350 or less, I got a free hedge on. So let's put that in there. 13, what did I say, 1350? Yeah, 1350. 1357. We'll say 1350. Isn't that great? I just love that little calculator. So cool. So cool. All right. So now let's put him in their groups. So we got long over here. We got Sweet Bobby Hedge. Oh man, it put my short somewhere else. That's fine. That's fine because I already had it somewhere else. So we'll move him to Sweet Bobby Hedge. No big deal. They put him in the nakeds. Okay, good. So we got that. So let's go to the final account. Here. And we are at 110.050. 110.050. That sounds great. That sounds like a new all-time high. 110.050. 110.050. Look at that, y'all. 110.050. I didn't put no more money in that either. Come on.
Well, we're moving on now to the side, to a deluxe apartment in the sky.
I mean, this is like shooting fish in a barrel, y'all. I mean, it doesn't get any better than this.
Hey, Bobby.
Yeah. Hey,
You
Hal.
put those hedges in, but you didn't show your risk profile after.
Oh, I didn't, did I? Let's go back to it. Thank you, Hal. See if it made it better. Analyze. Looked like it bumped it up a little bit, didn't it? Yeah, 69.53 down there. And this was 11,000, so now it's 14,000. Yeah. Now that looks bad. That could be between, 6,000 to 10,000 down there. It's still manageable. That could be $3,500 down, maybe. Yeah. Uh-oh, I didn't do my 10%. There we go, 2,400. Okay. All right, good. So let's get back to my thingamajig here. Let's get our Greeks and ratios. So we are at 114 minus 10. So that's what, 104? 104 and 60. 104 and 60. Oh boy. Wow, my deltas got back in line. 104 and 60. Well, that's terrible. And our buying power is 21 minus 13. So about what, $20,000 in buying power? Man, I need some trades here. Wow, look at that. Wonder why. Did something expire or something? Let's see here. Expiration, making sure we don't get an auto close signal on anything. And let's go here and look at stuff that might be running out. No, everything looks good. I don't see anything expiring, y'all. We got 3 days on that put debit spread. Okay, so let's go over here and see. We've got 49 naked puts and 57 put debit spreads. Are you kidding me? Dang, Bob. I mean, step up, be a man. Sell some premium, you freak. Well, so the market's down today. Gosh, it was down. Good Lord, the market's coming back today. I mean, I gotta put on maybe a 4 trancher today. Let's go sell 4 tranches or something. So let's go sell, what do you say, 36.50. Yeah, let's sell 4 of these. 2, 3, 4. Got to get some premium somewhere. Let's bump that up 32.50. 4 36.50s. There we go. 32.25. 36.50. 32.25. 36.50. 32.25. 36.50. 36.50. 32.25. 36.50. 32.25. And MES. And we did we do 3 or 4, y'all?
4.
4. Good. There you go, Bob. What a step up. So I did a 4 trancher. And we'll call that NP 25. Puts naked 94 days. 2/14/23. Okay. So if I did a 4 trancher, I probably, we've been in this groove of just putting Sweet Bobby trades on too. So why don't we move him up a little bit? 36.50. What if we did a nice 3,700? And let's do 4 him. 4 Sweet Bobby hedges, 37.25. Oh my gosh, look at that.
Are you not supposed to buy those? Are you selling those?
Yeah, I'm selling those. What, am I doing something wrong?
I don't know. I thought you were buying.
No, he's right.
Am I right? Okay. Yeah, did your mama drop you on your head when you was a baby? Huh?
Yeah, right. When I came out and they thought they had the most beautiful daughter they had ever had.
They
They
said,
dropped me on my head.
that is the homeliest looking girl I have ever seen in my life. All right, so we sold 4 3700s for, I forgot. For 37.50. 4 3700s for 37.50. 3700s for 37.50. Beautiful. And we did 4 of those. MES. So we did 4, and we'll call him SBH12 short, or not SBJ, SBH 12 short. Puts short hedge at 94 days. 2/14/23. And then let's go do 8 puts. Isn't this great? Well, we're just buying and selling and buying and selling. So we can buy 8. And let's see what we can do this for. I may do the 3650s. I mean, I may do the 3700s. Let's see what we can do here.
Should be able to do the 3700.
Yeah, I bet so. Make it nice and robust, right? 3700s. Let's get a nice little hedge there. 3700. Oh yeah. Look at that. 1300 of the 1320 26. Yeah, I can do that. I could even go 3710s. Shoot, let's do that. When's the last time we did something like that? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Beautiful. Bomb chicka, bunka boom. 8 3710s at 1375. 3710, 1375. 3710s at 1375. Okay. Puts. And long hedge at 45 days. 2, 14, 23. Gorgeous. Let's see what our risk profile looks like over here. That should have helped us, right? By buying those 8. Let's see what we should have done it before and after. So here we are here. So 10%. Okay, so we're down $7,000 on a 20% move down. If you put in volatility, it says we're down 45,000. That's not good. But I think we can manage it. I think I can manage that. So what we would probably do, I mean, I'm so weak on my stuff. I think this one is just a matter of time of us building stuff up and getting it done. I think it's just that. All right, so let's go finally. We put everything in their little happy holes. Let's see. Make sure everybody's recorded where they need to be. So MES, we got Sweet Bobby Hedge, 3700, 3710s. That's a Sweet Bobby Hedge. Move to group. Sweet Bobby Hedge. 3650s are just nakeds. So we're doing that. Let's see. Naked put. Beautiful. And now we got to go to TD Ameritrade login. TD Ameritrade login. And let's log in and let's buy some, whatchamacallits, tdameritrade.com. Come on, baby, get me in. I got my Alabama class coming up next, where we're going to be slinging trades in there today, which is going to be fun. I think I'm in the right thing here. Okay, and let's go to the IRA. We normally buy 11. Way back 2 or 3, main 11. Yeah, here we go. 11. So let's see, trade, fixed income, new, CD Treasury new issues. And let's see, Treasury auction 0 to 1 year. And I've been doing 5 of these. Come on. 5 of these. Review order. And come on, give me my button. Where's my dag button? Place order. Good. And let's go back to trade. Go fixed income new issues and CDs. Let's go to Treasury auctions and we'll do 6 of the 8 weeks. I love this. And this, I mean, this is great money, y'all, just for free. I mean, as long as, you know, the aliens that are in these balloons are not taking over, I mean, we should be gold.
Is Tasty allowing these yet?
Yeah,
Without
they
a fee?
do, but you got to pay like $30, isn't it? I think that's the case. All right, so let's go. Let's see, I got so many accounts here. Let's see. Crimson. Matt, you got your taxes done?
I have not.
Man, I feel so good to have mine done. I did my mama's last night, and now my sister's like, I don't think you did that right. So I said, hey, have at it, girl. I'll take it to your house. So over here, we've been doing 3 of these, right? So I've been doing 2 in the 4 weeks.
I've actually decided to just have a CPA do it. And then next year,
Just
I'll just
replicate
take
what
the
they did.
information. yeah. I just don't know where to put all the information, and I don't want to. The amount of money it's going to be is comical. But next year it should be a little more money, and I can just look at this year's return.
Well, heck yeah, if you're doing the triple nipple donkey, I mean, the triple nipple donkey, y'all, is killing.
Well,
it.
no, I'm not doing that are you talking about personal or business?
Well, everything, man.
Well, business, I'm meeting with a CPA tomorrow they're going to do it for the Airbnb. And then I have a buddy that does my taxes, has done them for probably 7-8 years. So,
Okay. All right, y'all. So let's see how this thing's doing. We're up 2.89%. The market is up 7.33%. Okay, wow, Crimea River. Look at this, y'all. We're up 105% just this month. This is great. Let's go to the other account. Let's see how we're doing over here. So over here, we are at 4.51%. So we were up 3.41%. So that means we're up 1.1% over here. Beautiful. I mean, I don't think it gets any better than that. And y'all, that is our session. I will see y'all tomorrow.